Hello, children. Welcome back to another module of our lesson Growing Up. In the first module, we saw how there are different stages of life, of growing up. How do we grow from a small baby to a young man and then becomes old, right? We also saw that when we are born, we are babies, and then slowly we grow up, we become a boy or girl, a young boy or a young girl, and then we become a man or a woman, and then we grow old and become old man or an old lady. All right, so these things we have seen. Let us move further. Now let us see what are the things we are going to learn. Now children, here you can see a question. Paste your father's, your grandfather's pictures. Do all of you look the same? Okay, as we learned that a child becomes a young boy or girl, then becomes a man or a woman, and then becomes old man or an old woman. Now here is a question for you. You have to paste your picture, your father's picture, and your grandfather's picture. After pasting it in the notebook, just check whether you all look the same or you look different. Like who, like one is young, one is baby, or one is child, or other one is old. So you have to guess it, and you'll get the answer no. Okay, so you do not look the same, you all look different. You are a child, your father is a man, and your grandfather will be an old man. All right, so let's move to the next question. Who is older between the following two? Now, they're given name tiger and cub. Okay, the baby tiger is called as cub. Now, who will be the older? Tiger. Yes, a fully grown up cub is called as tiger. Okay, so cub is smaller than tiger. It means answer is tiger. Okay, let's move to the next slide. So, children, we saw the example of tiger and cub. We also saw the example of your picture, your father's picture, and your grandfather's picture. What do we understand from these examples? Let us see what can we conclude from these examples. First one, as we grow older, our body changes. Right? When you were a baby, you were very small. Now you are growing up. Now your body has changed. Now you can walk, run, play on your own. So your body has changed. Our legs and next point, our legs and arms become longer. Correct. So as we grow up, our legs and arms become longer. Compare your legs and arms with other baby. You'll find that you have longer arms and legs. So our legs and arms become longer. Next, we become taller and heavier too. Right? Our height increases. In the school last year, we measured your heights and weights, right? Correct. Now, again, if you see your height and weight, you'll find that you have grown up a little. So, with the time, with the months, with the years, we become taller and heavier. Our weight increases, our height increases. Next, we are strong and healthy when we are young. Okay, children, now you are small children. As you grow up, you will become stronger and healthier. So, we are strong and healthy when we are young. We become weak when we grow old. Okay, old people are are generally weak and they cannot perform all the activities just like the children or young people. Okay, so remember, we become weak when we grow old. Now, here is another activity for you. Paste your picture when you were born. Paste your recent picture. Do you look the same? Answer is simple. No. When you were born, you were a small baby, and if you see your recent picture, you'll find a lot of differences. So obviously you are grown up now and you are not a baby anymore. So both the pictures will look different. Now see your friends pictures as well and see the difference. Okay, you can see the difference in your friends pictures. You can share your photos with your friends, right? Okay, let us see the next one. We learned about human beings growth from a baby to a complete man and then old man or a woman. We also saw the growth of animals. Now you can see life cycle of a plant, a seed, then small sprout comes out of the seed, which is called a seedling, and then it becomes a plant. After plant, it becomes a tree. So this is the life cycle of a plant. This we have already seen, learned, and you know it very well. In the textbook also it is given. Textbook page number 16, you can see the same picture. You will find the same picture there too. Okay, so just like animals, plants do have life cycle. They also grow up from a tiny seed to a big tree. All right. Okay. Now here is a life cycle of a cat. See, you can see a kitten, very nice, cute kitten is looking at its mother, and kitten becomes a cat, a well grown up cat. Okay, so let us see what information is given in do you know column. Some animals, like horses or cows, give birth to babies. Animals like horses and cows give birth to babies, right? Like human beings, correct? Horses, cows, you have seen the babies of cows, right? So they directly give birth to the babies. Some animals like frogs and almost all birds lay eggs. See, this is the difference. Frog and birds do not give birth to the direct baby. They give, they lay eggs, and after some days their babies comes out of the eggs. Their babies come out of the eggs. Okay, remember there are some animals, they give direct birth to their babies like human beings, like cows. But there are some animals like frogs and birds, they do not give direct birth to their babies. They lay eggs first, and from the eggs, their babies come out. Okay, thank you. This way, we finish our chapter growing up. And children, I will be giving you handout. Just write the handout in the notebook properly and go through the lesson in the textbook as well. In case of doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.